Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at an exciting automation using Excel VBA. It's called bulk email scheduler. So what we're going to do is we're going to schedule multiple emails to different students who are there in this list. Just by clicking one button, it's going to schedule emails to all of them. So let's look at a scenario, something like you run an online training course. Let's say you have a batch, and let's say these three people are the members of the first batch, and you want to schedule email to all these three students of the different sessions that is there as part of the training. Let's say there are three sessions. Session one, and the agenda for the session one is in the detail, the body of this cell, and session two, which is session two, and the agenda for session two. Likewise, agenda for session 3 is here. Let's say each of the session takes place on this particular date. You put in the date here. Say the first session is on 26th June, second session on 3rd July, and the third session on 10th July. I want to send these emails to all the students. Generally, how would I do is probably just before the session, I'll go back and compose an email and attach this particular agenda and just send them as an email. Today, we'll automate this whole process. You can schedule them. So I've got all these data points here. So I just simply go here and click schedule email. It just says schedule email process successfully. Now if we go back to your Outlook, so if I just go to my outbox, you can see for three people's, there are all the three sessions have been scheduled. Let's say the first student, this email address, session 1, session 2, and session 3 are scheduled. If you want to check when it is scheduled, just double click this and go here, and you can see it will be not delivered before this particular date, which is the scheduled date for the session. And you can see the agenda here, so which is here, so this would go to them. So likewise, the second session, session 2, if you see here, the session, this email won't be sent before the 3rd of July, okay, which is the session 2 date. Likewise, okay, session 3. Yeah, so I'll just check the session 3 too. Yeah, you can see the session 3, 10th of July. And you can clearly see the agenda outline, the duration, the different agenda for the session. So this can be used in multiple different scenarios. So probably this has been customized, okay, for anyone who delivering some kind of training or some kind of online lessons to students. Yeah. To download this file, just go to the link mentioned in the description. Probably you can download it and use it for your own training sessions. For any comments or for any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment box. I'll try and address them. I hope this quick automation would be useful and help you to improve the productivity of your training sessions. So thanks a lot for listening. I'll see you with another video very soon.